Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you another lovely home renovation we did here in Ponds. Come inside. So here we can see the inside of the 1200 wide cedar door with the side light, and we have done the hybrid flooring throughout. Let me show you upstairs now. So the same hybrid flooring which we have done downstairs, we have done it upstairs as well. And the color what we have used here, the way it's being laid, as you can see, it looks really good. Ensuite bathroom here, and as you can see again, back to wall toilet, wall hang vanity with the LED mirror on the top, and frameless shower screen with the hinge door. And we've done a niche in there as well, so that all the every shampoo bottles, the shower gel can go inside there. So this is the walk-in row what we have done for our client. As you can see here, is previously they had a very basic shelves. We've give them the drawers on both sides to make it more like a his and her. And then we have done the shelving at the bottom as well, which makes it really easy for the flooring people to work around it. And for the client, they can actually store the stuff in the last shelf as well. So in all other bedrooms, we have done the sliding door wardrobes. And here you can see the one with the mirror door, the other one with the frosting, and again, internal shelving, hanging, drawers, and bottom shelf as well. So here we're looking at the main bathroom, wall hung vanity with LED mirror on the top, back to wall bathtub freestanding, back to wall toilet, again frameless shower screen. Let me show you the kitchen at the moment. So previously the kitchen was more like connected here, so there was only one entry, but now we have reduced the return thing and made a new entry from here. So this is more like an island now on the side. Again, here we have done two-tone kitchen, oak finish on the top, and then polyurethane at the bottom, and then nice looking 40 mm stone throughout here. Here we have done 1200 high tiles at the powder room. Because this one doesn't have a shower area, we don't really need to do all the way up to the ceiling. But again, it's a client preference. Some of the clients wants us to do it, then we do it. In the powder room, back to wall toilet and wall hung vanity with LED mirror on the top. Most of the time laundry comes very economical, especially if we're doing two bathrooms and a kitchen. So this laundry here, again, you can see polyurethane finished cabinets and an open shelf with in the walnut finish. We changed the tires, did the new waterproofing as well. So they have 7 years warranty on the waterproofing here as well.